We're gonna need another freezer before we do the next round. So, prayers that opens up.
Dad, here's the trigger.
Pull the finger down.
Nope. Scrap those pieces in. Need to get the steaks.
Listen, Mommy needs help. That will have to be a
I sit here, I have a touch of death. I touch it and then just cut to it.
Today's the day. This morning. Angela's already been up before me. Getting breakfast going. Getting everything nice and pretty. We're on 151 degrees. Wow. Just getting the water all nice and hot. And the temperature's already 151. The kids are gonna get up in about another 30 minutes. Start bringing some birds up here, getting this set. We're gonna get this day started. It's the muddy rooster I have back there. It's gonna be a beautiful day. And another great adventure on the homestead. Weather yesterday called for sunny with a little small forecasted cool weather. We got thunderstorms on the distance. Now that might not head this way. Might actually miss us. Call for 50% chance. 50-50 chance. Well, we got this bad boy to at least so we can proceed. But it's just got interesting. We're gonna get some tarps and be ready in case, but we're still waiting on the scolder to warm up. We're actually almost there. It's about almost 140. We want 147. This video is not going to be a how-to video, rather than more our first experience, documenting our first experience. We'll talk about it a little bit, and there's plenty of how-to videos out there, so.
Camera. And
Might as well put it out then.
we can fit like 3 in here.
Hi, chicken nuggets.
Father, thank you, Lord, for this opportunity that we've had and given us to be able to do these things. God. Steven, what's your job today?
Here, we're going to make it cut right here.
Scolding.
Because when this extra flap kind of hangs over, you can do
It's
a
the
little
better
slice in
job.
right here.
The one I'm actually the one I'm good at. Besides our horrible first creation that we created
So next time
by
we'll
an over scold.
Over scolding, yeah.
It was ugly.
So if you need it,
It was Smeagol, but
A
worse.
little wider, just a little bit, just make sure you don't cut the...
Okay, so you're checking it, Steven. So what are you looking for?
Check to see if the feather's
You
gonna
do
come
it until
off.
afterwards. Right now,
It's
it's gonna
definitely
give you
ready.
something.
All right, buddy.
more.
Hit it.
What you do is cut about right here. Okay, that's probably far
switch it on.
and deep enough right here.
So the skin's exposing the.
Dude, yeah. So just listen. You're gonna go around. Remove his head. Pull pop.
Wow, that's like
See, Steven, show us what you got.
Afraid, dude.
Just like a store-bought chicken, huh?
There you
Tell
go.
us what your job is today.
Holding the chicken in the cone.
You're doing a great
The
job
legs.
at it. Doing a great job at it. How do you feel about everything?
At first I was all jittery and now I'm all good.
Good. This is our setup. Angela's showing everybody how to.
Don't show my booty.
Don't worry, I'm off of it.
Rude.
It's going great. It's a good opportunity. We're starting to get a flow. The jitters are starting to wear off. It's been really good. I'm really happy with how this process is going.
I'm gonna cut along the bone.
Nathan, while you're working,
120 seconds.
tell me what's your job today,
I'm gutting the thing.
and how's it going for you so far?
It's gone much better than I thought it would. Much better than I thought it would.
Good.
I thought there would be vomit involved, but I'm okay.
Angela, what is your job today?
My job is showing the same as Nathan and showing him what to do along the way. Getting the birds processed and into iced and apple cider water bath.
Fantastic.
Oh man.
And I feel about today excited
Done.
that we are to a point that we can provide meat for our family and we'll no longer have to. Are you videoing my face?
It's a woman.
That we'll no longer have to go to the store and buy meat anymore because we'll be able to provide our own stuff now. So to me, it's pretty exciting that we're to that point.
And we finished up. Let the kids out finally now. We decided not to show them the process because really, unless I could have a good conversation and explain what's going on with my kid and he really can understand it, I don't want him out here. That's our personal decision. But everybody's just had a good experience. At the beginning, there's a lot of solemn thoughts and everything, and once they started really getting into it, it just about happiness, laughter.
I've been inside watching young children.
Nobody
Do not
cares.
complain about what you haven't done. You understand me.
Nobody cares about him.
How does it feel when it comes to like being self-sufficient and being able to take care of your own food?
Oh, it's very nice. Very nice.
Do you think that? Do you think a lot of kids your age are doing stuff like this?
No. No.
You just like watch them off.
Does it? I mean, what do you feel as far as emotionally? How do you feel?
I feel much better. As like I said last night, I was excited about the outcome and not the process. But as I went along with it, the process also became enjoyable, which was very fun, which was fun. And I also now have the outcome, which is a whole that tall thing of chickens
Awesome.
and some duck.
Yeah, gonna be good.
Hi.
That's what I came down there for. When I'm done, can I go take a shower?
Oh no.
I'm gonna put this.
Disgusting?
It's stinky, yucky.
Is it disgusting? What is it?
No.
I'm trying to see if he
Steven, you don't
understands.
put your
All right, Jack. What has your responsibilities been today?
Watching babies.
He did. He helped us out a lot with the kids this morning, but also he's been. What else he been helping us with?
Measuring the range birds.
All right, Steven, tell me, what was your job today?
I was scolding and drumming, I think it's called, all the chickens and to get all the feathers off.
So how did you feel at the beginning?
I felt like I was a little lucky with the easy job because I didn't have to gut the animals.
After it's all said and done, you've experienced the whole process. What is your emotion now about it?
We have food. It's nice. I'm not that it was a little sad, but it wasn't that bad.
How do you feel about the experience?
I feel like I'm glad that we got all the chickens gone and that we are done with that until spring, and we don't have to feed them and water them as much.
This is taking, I guess, self-sufficiency into my own hands. And how I feel about it as a dad is that I am giving my kids something that they love from my backyard. And there's a special type of, this feels really empowering in a sense of like, hey, this is good. This is something really good for my family. Some time ago, I made the decision to eat a plant-based diet, which was very beneficial at the time for the need that I had. Needed it health-wise. I needed to make this change, and that actually, from that decision, spawned everything we're doing here. And it has so many side benefits to my health that I just kept rolling with it. We're getting things ready to bag. The water's starting to get a little, the ice water starting to melt. Things are starting to definitely, it's time to start bagging. We're going to try something different. I've seen people do it in its own individual pot. What we did was we took the scholder that we actually scolded the birds in, we deep cleaned it. We got all the stuff out, drained it, cooled it down, we deep cleaned it, really good. Got everything nice and cleaned up. And now we got water back in that. We put some hot water back in, and we're going to go to 185 to go ahead and get our bagging done, and we're going to see how that goes. So far, everything has gone great. This is the final lap. The kids are ready to chill. I'm ready to chill for the night, and it's good. I'm looking forward to just finishing this up and seeing what the final tally of poundage we made. Okay, so now we're air drying our birds. Getting our birds air dry, getting ready for the bagging process. So this was our very first bird.
Oh boy.
And it was not a good
It's Satan. It was.
At
least you have shredded meat
Beautiful
prepared.
birds looking
Good
from the
stuff.
store. They're air drying right now, so we're gonna go ahead and get that started. All right, Steven, guess how much weight we're gonna have today?
How many birds did we have?
Oh, just
Well,
guess.
if we had 30, it would
Say
be.
30 plus, probably.
If we had 30, it would be 210 pounds. Because they're all around 7 pounds.
210. Jack, what do you think of?
200 and 220.
Is there money
That's what I'm
involved?
guessing.
Can we get
215, 220. Nathan,
Did he say 215? I said
He's
210.
210.
Okay, he says 210. I say
215.
215. That's what that was.
220, 215. Kylie,
250.
250. All right, cool.
I honestly think.
What do you think, Mama? How much weight we gonna have today?
167. That'll put a star over.
Oh yeah, put a little
Nice.
Adventures on the
All right.
Homestead logo.
Let's weigh it. You ready?
Gotta turn it on so it zeroes out every time.
Dad.
All right.
First bird of our homesteading journey.
I don't remember how much weight I said I think it would be. 150. Ah,
Must weigh lots.
he was too fat.
Okay, the battery came on and everything. Let's
You ready?
okay, we got a little bit more stronger setup now.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. See what the first bird weighs, honey.
Look up, Callie.
Back off.
Heavy.
4.49.
1.49 pounds. That's a good size. Yeah, we're looking at an average around 5 pounds a bird.
Chicken nuggets, Dad.
Nice.
Anybody want chicken nuggets?
Nice idea, Kylie. Kylie had a good idea about using this for the swing. Apparently the last one didn't go so well. 4.49 pounds. All right, here we go.
See this.
Okay, I'm gonna help you out here. You ready?
Sink it, sink it.
So
sink
far,
it.
every first
Wait,
we've
you
had.
do it. You're the one who researched it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Dad.
You're gonna need to know what to do. You
So
already know
far,
what to
every
do.
first we've done today has been a total fail. So why forget?
Can I hold it over the thing?
You should have to, honey.
Most of the blood is
I don't know how this is gonna go, so let's hope it goes well.
You made shiny, whiny over
There
here?
was when she popped when she was putting the bones in.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
I don't know if that zip tie is down enough.
Whoa, that's it.
Whoa! Yeah, don't sit.
Well, okay then. So, first one looks like it maybe have a little air in it. We don't know. We don't really have 1, 2 test scores. Looked really good to me. Angela saw cool spots when I had some air, so. Give her a try the straw folding ones and see how that works. But hopefully this will start bagging. I'm gonna start zipping it and rock and roll.
Next. 4.5.
Next.
3.9.
Next.
4 pounds.
Next.
5 pounds.
Next.
4.2.
Next.
4.7.
Next.
4.5.
Next. What an adventure, what a day. Wife and little ones are back there putting the babies down, all the animals down. But I want to take a minute just to kind of reflect on the milestone that we had as a family today. It was a very, very it was a good day. I was really proud of my kids and what they accomplished mentally and just physically, how they went through this today. Yes. What an adventure. Go ahead, go wander. Go, my child. I would like to come across and say this was tough, it was nothing, but I never actually approached this whole process with that mentality. I approached it with giving these animals the best life, giving them the best that we could give them, and I wanted my kids to approach it today with thanks. Just approach it with thankfulness for the bird, the life it gave, and all the things that we had done. You see, I wanted my kids to reflect on this moment as all the stuff we have done was up to this moment. All the getting up in the morning, bringing the food out, watering them, keeping them happy, keeping them shaded, moving the birds so they had fresh pasture. Everything we had done today was for the benefit, not just really of the bird, but for the benefit of our family. And by giving the bird the best life I could give, by giving my life to that bird, I was giving my life to my family, because that sacrifice that the bird has given today, the sacrifice that that bird gave today was for the lifeline of my family. And it was exciting. It was so amazing to see it come to be and to see it go so well and to see preparation just meet an opportunity. Came in and we as a family pulled together and brought meat to this household. Like I said, it may be very different for some people to think, but that's how I did this. That's how I wanted my kids to do this. I wanted to take it to our home. And the reason why I wanted to be the responsible for the life of these birds is because of all the stuff I have done for them. I just felt the moral responsibility personally to end the life of this bird. I wanted to be that one. It was my responsibility. It was my responsibility to take that life and to give it to my children. Something always has to die so that we might eat, whether it be vegetables or, animals of the land. So now we have the free-range birds, the rainbow rangers. So those bad boys are out there, and we have to find a freezer. We gotta look for a freezer. We have found some freezers. We're just not sure. We're at a point where the lead time is almost the fall, and we are gonna have to figure something out for these range birds. I don't know what we're gonna do, but these range birds, they I love it. They range, they're clean, they really get out there and get out. But we're gonna have to figure something out on that. But regardless, kids, if you watch this one day, know that your dad loves you, and this was something very special. I'm proud of all you guys and all the stuff you had done. And I hope you know how much I love you guys, and that when I do this stuff, I do it because I want to give you guys the best. I hope in the many, many years to come, you always remember that this was always special, but also know that I love you guys. And what a great day it was. Great adventure, so many more adventures to come. Thank you those who sat here and watched through this. We hope that you enjoyed it. Make someone smile today, be a blessing, and we'll see you right back here on the next adventure. Take care. Here. He wants to be in the camera. He wants to be in the camera. So.
Uh-oh, baby Robin.
Yeah, that's baby Grayson. But today was.
What is Grayson?
Yeah. Today was so unique. Yes, you're a baby. Do you have things to say today? Do you have words? Okay, well, say your words. Say hello.
Hello.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Join us next time.
Not time.
Right here
Right through.
on Adventures
Adventure.
on the Homestead.
Not there.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wave. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.